Friends, so let us start another video on German language. So today we are gonna start learning gender in German and articles. तो आज हम सीखते हैं जेंडर जर्मन में। तो सबसे पहले हम देख लेते हैं ऑल जर्मन नाउन्स आर मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन एंड न्यूट्रल एंड ऑल नाउन स्टार्ट्स विद अ कैपिटल लेटर। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देख लेते हैं कि मैस्कुलिन नाउन्स को हम कैसे पहचानेंगे, कौन कौन से मैस्कुलिन नाउन्स होंगे। वी यूज़ आर्टिकल देयर विद मैस्कुलिन नाउन्स। मैस्कुलिन नाउन्स जो भी होंगे उनके आगे हम सबसे पहले देयर लगाएंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल है मेल पीपल एंड एनिमल्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर मान, देयर फादर, देयर हान and their Lover. These all are masculine nouns in German. Next one is seasons, months and days. The names of seasons, months and days. For example, their Sommer, their August and their Freitag. So these all are masculine nouns. Next one is here weather related and directions. These all words are also masculine. For example, their Regen, their Norden and their Wind. Makes of car. So in German, their Volkswagen, their BMW and their Toyota. These all are makes of car, so masculine. And the time of the day, their Morgen, their Mittag and their Abend, all are masculine. But there is one exception. The Nacht, Nacht is night and it is a feminine noun. So it is die Nacht. Next one is here non-German rivers. For example, their Amazon and their Nile. Alcohols, their wine and their jacket. These are masculine nouns. But beer is an exception. Thus beer. It is neuter noun. Now nouns with the following endings are masculine nouns: a and er. ant, ast, el, er, an, ent, eur, ig, ich, ist, ier, or, ismus and us and link. इनसे एंड होने वाले जो भी नाउन्स होंगे वो सब मैस्कुलिन होंगे। देयर आर सम एक्सेप्शंस हियर। न्यूटर नाउन दस लाबोर, मैसर, सिमर एंड वासर, फेंस्टर, वेल्टर, लेडर and kissen. And in feminine noun, die, butter, Nummer, Gabel, Kartoffel and Mauer. Now let us learn the feminine nouns. We use article the with feminine nouns. Feminine nouns से पहले हम the article use करते हैं. As female people and animals, for example, the Frau, the Mutter, the Hannah and the Kuh, all are feminine nouns. Most of the fruit, for example, the banana, the watermelon and the orange and the Trauber, all the names of the fruit are feminine nouns. But apple is an exception and apple is a masculine noun. So there apple. Names of the most of the flowers, for example, the rose, the lily and the tulip, all are feminine nouns. Names of numerals, the null, the eins, the hundred and the million. Names of the German rivers, the Donau, the Mosel and the Ruhr. But there is exception here, der Rhine. Names of airplanes, ships and motorbikes, all are feminine nouns. For example, the Boeing, the Titanic and the Yamaha, all are feminine nouns. And nouns with the following endings: height, kite, shaft, these are always feminine nouns. And e ending nouns are mostly 90% are feminine nouns. Age, anz, ei, ie, ik, enz, ek, ion, ur, ung and uhr and Tate. Exceptions are there. Neuter noun thus Auger, Ander, Interesse, and masculine noun there Name, Junger, Kaiser, Kunja, and Buchstabe. Let us see now neuter nouns. We use article thus with neuter nouns. What are neuter nouns? Babies of people and animals. For example, thus baby, thus kind, and thus lamb. Names of metals are neuter nouns, thus gold, thus copper, and thus stahl. And names with prefix ge, a, thus Gebäude, the building, thus Gespräch, conversation, and thus Gesetz. Names of countries, continents and cities with a modifier. Modifier means adjective लग जाता है जब उससे पहले ना, with adjectives. Thus neutraler Sweden, thus moderner Deutschland, and thus alter Europa, thus historischer München. And nouns with the following endings are always neuter. Nouns ending with line and chain are always neuter noun. And o, at, ett, ma, eau, ing, phone, tel, nis, ment. Exceptions: feminine die Firma, Reichtum, and masculine der Kuchen, Rochen, Rachen, Drachen, and Knochen. Next one is here nouns that have been formed directly from verbs. As one verb is here leben, to live, and the noun is thus leben, life. Singen, to sing, and thus singen, singing. By adding line to the nouns we get neuter nouns which adds the sense of small to the noun. किसी भी नाउन के आगे अगर हम लाइन लगा देते हैं तो वो स्मॉल का सेंस देता है. एज अ दी फ्राउ प्लस लाइन दस फ्रॉयलाइन the little woman, and their brooder plus line thus bruderline, the little brother. At last you have to try yourself. There are some nouns which you have to tell which one is feminine, masculine or neuter nouns. So pause the video here and try to find out. That is all for this video. So we'll learn something new in the next video. So till then, bye. Tschüss.